Hello, in this video I will show you how to integrate SureCart with MemberPress. Now go to the MemberPress settings page, open the integrations tab,
enable SureCart integration and its other options.
MemberPress provides the exclude shipping, exclude taxes integrations option. After setting all options, then click the Save button. Saved the changes, now go to the affiliates page. This is the MemberPress affiliates page. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. The customer opens your link and then purchases your affiliate product. Add product to your cart. See, your product has been added to the cart. Now click to Checkout button. See, this is the SureCart checkout page. Enter the following details, select the payment method, and click to Purchase button. Now, see the customer order is done, go to the MemberPress commission page. This is the MemberPress commission page. Here you can see all the commission related entries. See, the first record is a SureCart product. Go to the affiliate user affiliate panel. Enter the username and password and click to Sign In button. This is the MemberPress affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab and see your commission record. Next, open the Visits tab. Here you can see the All Visitor Open Referral Links Users list. That's it.